Let's start with Vijay Bhambwani then, who is the author and CEO of bsplindia.com, and he joins in now with his take on the markets. Vijay, hi, good morning. Let's start off by talking about the Nifty and what trading range would you expect for the day?
Where the market outlook is concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot is at 5,910 levels. Above this threshold, the Nifty spot can test the primary target of 59.30 and a secondary target of 59.60. On the flip side, the bearish pivot is at 58.90, below which the primary target for the Nifty spot will be at 58.70 and the secondary target will be 58.50.
And in terms of sector-specific action, what do you think about the bounce in Realty Pack?
In the real estate space, DLF is the only stock that shows promise in the frontline counters, whereas the others are showing signs of either consolidation or a downward bias. DLF has found support near its 13-day moving average, and therefore one can basically buy the dips anytime and the stock shows a decline of a percent and a quarter. An intraday pullback is occurring, especially if the stock manages to stay above the 270 level. So traders on an intraday basis might just want to buy the dips rather than sell the rallies.
Vijay, what about FT and MCX, the parent companies of MCX Essex, which finally got launched yesterday?
Financial Technologies has seen a decline below its previous swing low of 1,075 levels, and as long as it stays below this threshold, the outlook will remain negative in the near to medium term, and it's continuing to show a lower tops and lower bottoms formation, telling you that higher levels are likely to get sold into. Relatively speaking, MCX is on a slightly better footing, and it's now showing a more tapered or a slower decline as compared to Financial Technologies, but it's still trading below its short and medium term moving averages and continues to make a lower tops and lower bottoms formation. The 1400 level is a 50-day moving average, and a breakout above this threshold will be required for MCX to basically start trending higher. Traders should await a breakout above this threshold and then initiate buys rather than chasing the stock at the current level.
Can you recommend two equity trading ideas?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy HDFC Bank in the cash segment at 653 levels, which is a marginal decline from where it closed at yesterday. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 648 and expect to get out at 662 on an intraday basis, which is end of the session, or the price target being met, whichever is earlier. My second trade would be buying Bombay Dyeing on marginal pullbacks to the 97.5 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 92.5. And my target for booking profits would be 110 levels in the coming few trading sessions. So this is not a day trade, but investors may need to hold on to this trade for 5 to 7 trading sessions approximately.
And from the future space, Vijay, what is the top trade you've identified?
In the future space, I would want to buy Axis Bank February futures for the sheer amount of momentum that it saw yesterday. Very huge traded volumes and a sharp pullback. I would expect this upthrust to basically percolate down to today's trading sessions, and therefore I would buy the February futures at marginal pullback to the 1,492 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 1,475 levels and expecting to book profits at 1,514 or into the session, whichever comes first.